Hello. In this 1.20.1 Forge modpack development video, we're going to be implementing the tough as nails thirst system using the KubeJS mod. If you have any questions about this content, please feel free to comment. And also, I'm always looking for new video ideas. In addition, please like and subscribe with notifications on to this channel to never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They offer Minecraft server hosting as well as over 100 other top online games. You can pre-install over 2,300 Minecraft modpacks automatically. They offer 24/7, 365 customer support that can help you troubleshoot your server and mods. You can also host your server from 20 locations around the world, and they offer advanced DDoS protection. So if you are interested, please check out my affiliate link in the description below. That'll bring you to this website that can help you and help inform you of a possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. Again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. So now let's get into the actual code. So this is the Tough as Nails mod has a thirst system in addition to hunger, and this is definitely something that you can implement using KubeJS. So we're going to use item events.food_eaten for this example. So item events.food_eaten. And then for this example, we're going to do the builder's t from create. And now we can pass in the event callback. So exactly how do we do this? Well, first we need to destructure the player object from the event for easier access. So we're going to do constant curly braces player equal to event. Next, we need to actually load the thirst mechanic from Tough as Nails. So we're going to do that with we're going to call this thirst handler, and we're going to make this equal to java.loadClass, and we're going to pass in tough as nails .api.thirst the iThirst, or the thirst interface. And then next, we want to get the thirst handler. So we're going to find another variable called thirst. Well, I kind of wanted this to be thirst helper. iThirst. The kind of align with what the class name is. And then we're going to make thirst helper. We're going to make that equal to iThirst dot get thirst, and then we're going to pass in the player. And then finally, we want to actually apply the drink logic. So we're going to call the drink method from the iThirst interface. So we're going to do thirst helper dot drink, and then we need to pass in two variables. First is going to be the amount to add to the thirst level. So for this example, I'm going to do 4. And then the second parameter you need to pass in is the hydration modifier. So I'm going to put 0.4. Again, in this video, I'm assuming that you know how the Tough as Nails mod works. If not, there's plenty of mod tutorials on that you can check out on the internet. So this basic example adds thirst or drink to the builder's T item from create. Obviously, you can expand this more if you want, but I figured this simple example would answer any questions that you may have. So if you have any questions regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. In addition, I'm always looking for more video ideas. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and so you will never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.